Welcome to Ask the Attorney. I'm Natasha Lubchenko. We're answering your toughest personal injury questions, and joining us with expert advice is attorney John Haymond from the Haymond Law Firm. John, thank you so much for joining us. Our viewer Beth wrote in looking for some advice. Here's her question. I was shopping on the day after Black Friday, and my daughter was run over by a woman's shopping cart while she was literally running to get a sale inside a store. She received 2 cuts on her head and severe bruising on her shoulders and hip. It was a very chaotic situation, and my first concern was clearly my girl. Is there anything I can do? John, what is your advice here?
Well, there absolutely is something you can do, and I'm going to suggest 2 courses of action. But first and foremost, I hope your daughter's fine, but she must receive medical treatment in order to qualify for a personal injury claim under the law. So, assuming she did that, you have to hold the woman who's operating this carriage in an unreasonably safe and appropriate manner culpable for this accident. Obviously, you should drive a carriage with safety and due caution, number 1. But number 2, I believe you also have an absolute claim against the store because they knew or should have known that they would have a rush and an onslaught of customers on the day in question. And if that's the case, knowing in advance, especially that's a certainty, then they should have taken caution and care to protect the customers who come into the store. So I would pursue a claim against both the store and the individual who ran over this poor girl.
All right, so there's some moving parts here. Thank you for that insight, John, as always. And if you have personal injury questions of your own, you can email them to asktheattorney@haymondlaw.com. For now, I'm Natasha Lubchenko, and we will see you next week.